all, and with a lot of motivation. Yes. Hello, sir. Good evening. I can see only Noor Jahan ma'am with the camera on. I request you all to kindly switch on your camera because your beautiful smile, your happiness will make me give a double amount of knowledge. Right? Always talking to, black screen with just names doesn't make the difference. Right? Yes. So I request you all. We are 200 participants here. Great. I know we're going to make thousands of us together here. We're going to make a major difference. Yes. So I request you all to please be switch on your camera. Hello, sir. Mehboob, sir. Good evening. Right. So before I begin with the session, as we all know, today's product which I'm going to address is Nucleovita. So before I could talk about Nucleovita, I would like to give a small introduction about me. Yes, are you all ready with me? Are you all ready to listen about me? A small brief introduction? Yes. If you all are ready, type R in the chat box. We all have chat box in the bottom. Type R so that I know you're all with me. We are all in the same page. Yes, R, 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 R. I can see a lot of R. So myself, Sushita, and I have been associated in the field of nutrition for past 14 years now. That makes me feel I'm a little old, right? Do I look old? Yes, I look old. I don't think so. I'm still young by heart. If at all I'm looking old. Yes. So and I have pursued my masters in Chennai, MSc Food and Nutrition, and I have got an opportunity to work with a lot of hospitals, right? But then in nutrition, when we studied, we were taught one thing: prevention is always better than cure. And when I was working with hospitals and doctors, I was feeling that hospitals are not my place because hospitals are only meant for treatment. Hospitals are only meant for treatment. And here in nutrition, all the 5 years we studied prevention is better than cure. Then I felt no, I am in the wrong place. And then I started associating myself with nutrition companies. And from then on, whatever knowledge my education has given, I was happily giving the knowledge to everyone. And today I feel happy that I got a opportunity to talk in Fly Wellness, yes, as a speaker to address you about the supplement. Now, as I said, for us, for doctors, they believe that medicine is everything, treatment is everything. Here in nutrition, we believe our food is our medicine, right? And that's how were our ancestors. 30 years before, there was no stress. People never knew what stress is all about. Yes or no? But today, stress is a part of our life. Without stress, we are not able to live. Do you agree with me or not? Yes, stress is inevitable. The air we breathe is not, it's full of pollution. We are always surrounded by toxins, right? So there is a major shift in our lifestyle from our parents and grandparents. Our parents and grandparents did not require any special nutrition. Yet they were very happy. They never knew any lifestyle diseases, right? Today, more than the family members in the house, there are a lot of lifestyle conditions that are thriving in our homes. Our homes are filled with lifestyle conditions, and our cupboards are filled with medicines. And we often visit only one place, that is hospitals. So the hospital industry, the healthcare industry is growing day by day. Why is it growing? Why are they making, lakhs and crores of business? Because of us, we are becoming patients. And my major motto is not to make anyone feel sick. हिंदी सेशन आज नहीं है सर. वी विल हैव अ हिंदी सेशन टुडे. इज एक्सक्लूसिव इंग्लिश सेशन. यस, सो बेयर विथ मी. ऑल्दो मैं हिंदी और इंग्लिश मिक्स करके बोलूंगी, बट आज एक्सक्लूसिव इंग्लिश सेशन है, राइट? सो द हॉस्पिटल्स आर मिंटिंग मनी फ्रॉम अस. वी आर देयर कस्टमर्स. So our motto is not to fall sick. Our motto is to take care of ourselves. Now, when there are so many supplements, why are they not working? When there is so much of knowledge, still why people are falling sick is the question. And the reason here is the environment our body is. Now, all of us like to keep our house clean. Yes or no? Hello, everyone with me. I want you all to communicate with me. See, this is not a boring science lecture. I want you all to talk to me. I want you all to communicate with me, right? So all of you want to keep your house clean and neat. Yes or no? Do you agree with me? Yes. Yes or no? I want you all to type in the chat box. Only if you talk, then my vehicle will move. If not, my mileage will get stopped and I'll get stuck. So मेरा गाड़ी चलने का जो speed है वो आपके ऊपर ही depend करेगा. I want you all to talk to me, right? We all want to keep our house clean. Yes? Yeah? Okay. Now, why do we want to keep our house clean? What is the reason? Why do we want to keep our house clean? Hello? Why do we want to keep our house clean? Can you tell me? Any reason why do you want to keep our house clean? Why? Kumar sir seems to be very serious. Sir, you can smile a bit. Yes? Why do you want to keep our house clean? Very simple question. No science, no medicine, nothing. We love to keep our house neat and clean. Yes or no? Because when we are in a clean home, our mind is like, clutter free. Our body feels energetic. Yes or no? Only if your house is clean and neat, after that, no matter whatever interior you do, whatever decorative piece you keep, whatever curtains you put on, whatever decor you keep, then only that beautifies your house. Imagine you have dust all over in your house, you have kept the garbage in the center of your living room, and you start decorating the house. Any point? Any point in doing that? You buy valuables, expensive decor from different parts of the world, and your house is like one dustbin full of garbage everywhere. It is stinking, right? Is there any point in decorating your house and keeping all those decor? Is there any point? Hello? You are all with me? Is there any point in decorating the house when the house is dirty? Is there any point? Yes or no? No point, right? There is no point in decorating the house when your house is dirty. Now, same way is with our body also. Our body is full of toxins. Our environment in the body is completely acidic. We are not in the state of absorbing any nutrients. So, in that scenario, no matter how expensive or the best of the best supplements you take in, no matter how healthy your food you take in, it is not going to get absorbed in our body, right? It is not going to get absorbed into our body. And that is the reason why most of the time we feel exhausted. Like, how many participants are there right now here? I can't see the number. Can anybody tell me how many of us are there in the chat today? We are around 259 people.
259. Yes.
Yes, 260, right? So, can you tell me, do we feel tired or exhausted? Anybody feel tired or exhausted even after having 3 meals a day? Yes? Sunita ma'am, maybe you can talk to me. Others don't are not enjoying talking to me. Maybe
Yes.
you can. Yeah. So do we
Yes,
feel
ma'am.
exhausted, tired most of the time? Yes. And when we call a friend or a family member, we say, "हाँ, आज तो इतना tired लग रहा था, इतना exhausted लग रहा था. I don't feel like doing anything." This is our common tagline or a standard dialogue that we tell. Yes or no? Fatigue is very common for all of us. We feel exhausted. We don't feel like doing anything. No matter how much food we eat, how much nutritious food we eat, we do physical activity, we do de-stressing, we do everything, but nothing seems working. We sleep and we get up, still we feel exhausted. So it is not what we are doing that is the problem. It is not our habits. Of course, our habits are all completely cooked up. But even though we are trying to be right, nothing is working right with our body. There's a misunderstanding in our body. Say, for example, husband and wife have got misunderstandings for a long time, for a prolonged period of time. What happens? They end up having a divorce. Yes or no? They end up getting separated because the opposite person doesn't want to understand you, or you don't want to understand the opposite person. If that is the scenario, the relationship will not work. The same is with our body also. Now, our body is not in the state of accepting anything. It is not in the state of accepting anything. And that is the reason why people are diabetic, people have arthritis, people have cardiac arrest, people are collapsing in the gym, people have cancer, and everything have become common these days. Earlier, all these were threatening conditions. Today also they are threatening, but it has become common. It has become like a trend. Oh, you're diabetic. Oh yeah, even my father is diabetic, or even my wife is diabetic, or my kid is diabetic. It has become that common. Yes or no? The reason why is our environment. Our environment is not right. Sunita ma'am, can you see my screen?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. One second. I'm not able to see. Let me share it again. Yeah. So Today, we are here not to just give you nutrients, any random nutrients, but we are going to give you the solution that will work on the environment. It is going to change your environment. The problem here today is your body is not failing. It is suffocating because of the nucleus. Nucleus is the center of the cell, and that particular part is not working properly. So, we are here to correct the environment. Now, all of you can think, when you close your eyes and think for 5 seconds, how is your energy levels, how is your immunity levels, how is your recovery? All of us can see only red flags because we are doing everything right, still we don't have energy. Always it is like battery low mode, right? You fall sick often, and even when you fall sick often, for you to recover it is taking a lot of time. Yes, it is today's scenario, ye घर घर की कहानी है, right? Because your supplements whatever you might be taking is right, but it is your body is not allowing it to work properly. The environment of the body is not proper. So, health is not about what we eat or what we take in. It is about the place where it is landing, right? So, the nutrition without the right environment is waste. It is of no point at all. It is like, you're eating, it is like you're putting everything in the garbage bin. It is absolutely waste. So, today, here, with Nucleovita, what are we going to do is we are not going to address the deficiency. Of course, we might, when you do your blood work, you might see that your iron is deficient or your calcium levels are less or your vitamin D is not proper. You might check that. But it is not because of the deficiency, it is not because of the lack of nutrients, it is because of the biochemical congestion. Your nutrients are not getting an entry into your house. Your body is not allowing them to go inside your body. The major reason is the environment, and to add it on, your stress levels. You always feel stressed, right? You're always feeling exhausted. So, all this is actually confusing your body. It is not allowing you to work properly, right? It is not allowing you to work properly. So, what are we going to do with Nucleovita? We are going to change the environment of your body, right? Because your body works on current, it works on electricity. Only if you have that electricity, your cells will communicate, your enzymes will activate, and your DNA. DNA is our uniqueness. Every individual has a DNA. Now, Sunita ma'am's DNA will be completely opposite from her own sibling, blood relationship sibling. Her DNA of Sunita ma'am and her brother or her sister will be completely different. Like that, everyone has got DNA. And now we are going to work with the nutrition that will work directly on that DNA, so that you will change the shift of your body from the acidic state to alkaline state. Now, this state correction will happen only with the right environment. Signals in your body will work only when your body will shift from acidic mode to correct alkaline mode, right? Because if the environment is not correct, we are not living, we are just surviving. That is the reason why we are always in a panic mode, in exhaustion, and we feel like we have something heavy that we are carrying. We are not able to live. I think this everybody here can relate it. Correct? So, now what is the nucleus? Nucleus is just not a DNA storage, but the nucleus is the place where you repair yourself, where you correct yourself, where you get longevity. That means you age, but you age gracefully. You regenerate your body, right? So it is your biological future. Now, say all of us have got date of birth, right? That decides our age. But what is the age of your cells? What is the biological age of your cells? We are all, maybe say I am 35 years old now, right? But that is my date of birth age. But what are my cells? My cells might be at 50 or 60. That is the reason why I feel exhausted. I have all the symptoms of old age. Now, why are my cells getting old? Because of the environment I'm living right now. My nucleus is not supporting me. Now, with the help of the right nutrition, we can correct the environment. And such supplements are unique. Anywhere in the market, you will not find. That such kind of supplement is Nucleovita, right? This Nucleovita, what it will do, it will actually make a shift in your environment. It will make a shift in your environment. It will not make you feel older. Now, what is happening? You have congestion in your brain. You feel exhausted. You will go inside the room. You will think, what, for what reason have I come here? I don't think. I am like confused. Why am I feeling sick all the time? I'm not able to recover. This is your body situation. So now we are going to change that environment. So what are we going to do? First, we are going to clean our house and then decorate our house, right? All this while, what we are doing, we are just decorating the house, but we are not cleaning. That is the reason why no matter how much you are spending, your house doesn't look beautiful at all because kachra hai. It is all dustbin all around. It is stinking and you're decorating. No point. So we are going to do the ulta here now. We are going to clean the house first and then decorate it. So for that cleaning purpose, we need to create an environment that is alkaline, right? We need to create an environment that is alkaline. Now, alkaline environment is possible is only possible when you remove that acidity. Now, how do you remove this acidic environment from our body is by improving the nutrition. By improving the nutrition. We need nutrition that will go directly inside the cell's nucleus so that the environment will change. So this is not stomach nutrition, this is not blood nutrition, but this is going inside the nucleus. The center part of the cell is called the nucleus. And with that way, what happens is your body gives you a cooperative entry. It will allow you. Now, for example, you are all entering the Zoom, right? If we close the room and only if the host will allow you, then you will get the passage if that restriction is there. Now, that is the problem with all the multivitamins right now. Your room is locked and the key is lost. So the vitamins and minerals are not able to enter your body and your symptoms are the same. You're not feeling better at all. Correct? So here, when you change the environment, when you shift the environment, what happens is we will find the key for the room. So all the minerals, vitamins, whatever are required will enter the nucleus and you will start feeling better. Now say, imagine you have a car. Okay. Imagine you have a car. Now that car, you want to travel to places. You want to go to different places in that car. Okay. Now there is no fuel. Will that car run? You have a beautiful car, say you have a Jaguar or you have a Mercedes Benz or you have a Bentley, whatever car you love, you have the most luxurious brand of car, okay? But there is no what to say, there is no fuel inside it. Will the car run? Hello, will the car run if there is no fuel? No,
No.
right? Now, so we at Fly Wellness, what we're going to do is we're going to give the right fuel to our car. We're going to give the right fuel to the car so that we will get the mileage. Now, what happened? All of us are doing, we are filling the petrol in the diesel car. We are filling the petrol in the diesel car, and that is the reason why our body is not giving us the mileage. We are not cleaning the house, we are just decorating the house. That is the reason why our house is not getting beautified. So here with Nucleovita, what we're gonna do is first we're gonna correct the environment. We're gonna correct the environment. Now say summer has started. In summer, if you switch on a heater and sit in the house and say it's hot, whose problem it is? You have chosen the wrong appliance. You need to switch on the AC. Yes or no? And that's what we do. But with our body, we are not doing it right. So here, we will correct the environment with the help of our Nucleovita, which is alkalinely extracted vitamins and minerals. Mind the word and underline the word here that all the vitamins and minerals extracted are absolutely from the natural sources. Now you say you go to a pharmacy. I can see somebody with the name Samsung SM. I don't know what is your name, sir. If you go to a medical shop and say give me multivitamin, he will give you multivitamin for 15 rupees. But can you give me the guarantee that all the vitamins that you are getting from the tablet are natural sources? No. Can you guarantee me that the vitamin is getting absorbed into your body? No. Doctor writes you multivitamin, you buy, you eat, but nothing is happening. Your hair still falls, you still look dull, right? Your energy levels are bad, you're not able to digest food, you have all the problems. And we are only talking about the problem and we are not fixing the root cause. Here at Fly Wellness with Nucleovita, we are giving an alkaline environment with alkalinely extract vitamins and minerals so that your deficiencies are corrected. At the same time, the environment is also corrected. So the recommended dosage is as per FSSAI standards. Yes, and you have to take 2 capsules, one with your breakfast and one with your lunch. Please finish off taking the capsule by 3 o'clock. After that, it might hinder in your sleep process because you have all the B vitamins, all the vitamins and minerals your body requires. And one more thing, today soil in our country or in the world is depleted of vitamins and minerals. So no matter how organically food you eat, your food is not going to meet your requirements what you want in your daily basis. So this is the easiest way to meet your vitamins and minerals with an entry inside. You go to your friend's place and you don't get an entry. There is no point in visiting them. No, your fuel is wasted, your time is wasted, and you get depressed that you're not able to meet the friend. Now, that is the state of all the multivitamins and supplements you're taking, which are not getting entry into your cell. So, here with Nucleovita, it is very important and very easy to understand that this is the boarding pass for your flight. Without this boarding pass, you cannot go anywhere. Now, say for example, Sunita ma'am has bought a ticket to go to Dubai and she doesn't get her boarding pass. Okay, she doesn't get the boarding pass. Sure, sir, we'll share the products PDF in the PP in the WhatsApp group, definitely. So she doesn't take the boarding pass or she loses the boarding pass. Can Sunita ma'am board the flight? No, the air staff will not allow them. That is what is happening. Your vitamins, minerals, your food doesn't have the boarding pass to the cell. That is the reason why we are always in a battery low mode. But people whose environment is working best are at their peak. Now, I know everybody today at Fly Wellness want to achieve something in life. They want to become big. They have big dreams. For the dreams to turn into reality, the best asset they have is the health. And to have good health, the entry point is our Nucleovita. You take Nucleovita along with Fly One. Our Fly One is absolutely the antioxidant production to remove toxins. So these two combinations are deadly combination for good health, right? So I don't want to go into technicalities. This is a very simple science. ये सिर्फ अपना घर का साफ सफाई है. हम हमारी शरीर का साफ सफाई कर रहे हैं न्यूक्लियोविटा के साथ, ताकि सारे विटामिन मिनरल्स अपने सेल के अंदर, न्यूक्लियस के अंदर जाके हमको वो न्यूट्रिशन दे. वो सफाई हो जाता है तो सारे विटामिन मिनरल्स हमारे बॉडी के अंदर अब्सॉर्ब हो जाते हैं. और दिस टू कैप्सूल्स विल फुलफिल ऑल द विटामिन एंड मिनरल्स रिक्वायरमेंट व्हाट योर बॉडी रिक्वायर्स. And within 2 weeks of taking this supplement, you can start seeing the difference in your energy levels, your clarity. Because a healthy body is a healthy mind, and a healthy mind is a healthy body. So this is about our Nuclear Vita. Over to you, Sunita ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. What a wonderful presentation. And really, we all are thankful for you that always you're guiding us and letting us know more about our nutrition and our product. It was really great to have you. Can we take some questions?
Sure, ma'am. We can
Yes,
take probably some 10 questions. Yes.
yes. Okay, ma'am. Okay, if anybody having questions, please you can raise your hands. Questions should be only on Nucleovita. Nobody having questions? Nobody having any doubts? Yes, Dayanand sir. Okay. I have given you ask to unmute, sir. Please unmute yourselves.
मैडम
Yes.
थैंक यू.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
प्रोडक्ट को लेके कोई सवाल नहीं है. बहुत सारे लोगों के सवाल है, तो सभी की तरफ से मैं सामने से पूछ रहा हूँ कि
Mm.
न्यूक्लिया विटा प्रोडक्ट अवेलेबल कब होंगे हमारे तक.
Sunita ma'am, I think you can help them with this answer.
Yes. Already, sir. Already dispatch has been started. Dispatch हो चुका है, sir. 2000 प्रोडक्ट का उस दिन सर ने भी हमारे यहाँ पे अनाउंस किया था. आई थिंक विद इन 3 to 4 days आप लोगों के पास सभी के पास प्रोडक्ट पहुंच जाएगी.
I think Mr. Rajesh has a question, ma'am.
राजेश.
Kindly,
Okay.
please
Mr.
raise your
Rajesh,
hand so that she can
yes.
unmute you.
Yeah. First of all, we all have to know the feedback. How was today's program? How was today's our Zoom? आप लोगों को कैसा लगा आज का हमारा? समझ में आया? कुछ में आप लोगों को क्या आपको अगर कोई डाउट्स है तो प्लीज आप लोग पूछ सकते हैं मैम से. आज आप लोगों के पास मौका है, बिकॉज मैम ने अपना वैलिड
दिस सप्लीमेंट इज फ्रॉम 18 years अबव, कोई भी इस सप्लीमेंट को यूज कर सकते हैं।
हेलो। यस, गुड इवनिंग मैम।
गुड इवनिंग मैम।
दिस इज सुप्रिया।
हाय
अ,
सुप्रिया मैम।
बहुत ही अच्छा, या बहुत ही अच्छा प्रेजेंटेशन था। और
Thank
मेरा जो क्वेश्चन है वो न्यूक्लियो बीटा को लेके है कि
you।
ये जो हम सप्लीमेंट हम यूज करेंगे,
हम्म।
इसका कुछ ब्रेक है क्या? मतलब आफ्टर 3 मंथ्स हमें कुछ ब्रेक लेना है या कंटिन्यूसली हम यूज कर सकते हैं?
एक्चुअली इसका तो डेली ले सकते हैं मैम, बट एनी सप्लीमेंट फॉर दैट मैटर इन द न्यूट्रिशन एरा व्हाट वी टेल इज इट इज आइडियल यू टेक अ ब्रेक आफ्टर 3 months. Take a break for 10 to 15 days and then you can continue.
ओके ओके, तो 3 मंथ्स के
क्योंकि
बाद हमें 10 to 15 डेज
क्योंकि
गैप
विटामिन एंड
लेना
मिनरल्स, यस मैम, क्योंकि विटामिन एंड मिनरल्स का तो हमको रोज ही जरूरत होती है। फिलहाल तो हम लोग माइनस में चल रहे हैं, राइट? तो जब आप 3 महीने कंसिस्टेंटली 3 महीने कंसिस्टेंटली एक ही टाइम पर कंटिन्यूअसली बिना ब्रेक के लेंगे तो आपका बॉडी एक सिस्टम पे आ जाएगा, राइट? तो वो सिस्टम पे आ जाने के बाद आप एक छोटा ब्रेक दे सकते हैं बॉडी को। उस टाइम पे वो जो भी डिप्लीटेड सेल्स है उसको वो रीवर्क करके फिर आप कंटिन्यू कर सकते हैं।
है। ओके ओके ओके, थैंक यू मैम। बस यही क्वेश्चन था, थैंक यू सो मच।
या
ओके, थैंक यू। सुभाष सर, अनम्यूट का ऑप्शन दिया आपको। सुभाष सर। ओके, राजेश। राजेश, ER Rajesh sir, I have given you unmute option. ER Rajesh sir.
Yeah,
Yes.
very good. Yeah, very good evening, ma'am.
गुड इवनिंग सर।
Nice to talk to you, ma'am.
थैंक यू सर।
Thank you so much. And then, is there any restriction to age limit, ma'am, in the
18,
taking?
18 years and above can take this product, sir. As per FDA, we say that pregnant and lactating women and people suffering with chronic conditions, if they are like seriously ill, they are bedridden, those
Okay.
people we avoid. And also, one thing very important, this is not a medicine. This is just a
Okay.
supplement, not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any lifestyle conditions, sir.
Okay, fine, ma'am. Fine, ma'am. If any restriction for the food habits, ma'am?
No. See, the thing is, if your habits like Abhi, when we go for an exam, we have to prepare well so that we get good marks, right, sir?
Yeah, okay.
Similarly, if you want the supplement to work effectively, you have to like avoid processed food, junk food. You can eat. I'm not saying you have to stop yourself. It is not possible. We can have,
Okay.
but we have to limit it. Our heart and our brain knows, oh, we are going more. That time we are
Yes.
supposed to control ourselves. That's also.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, I understand. What are the cause?
सुभाष सर, आप कंटिन्यू कर सकते हैं। सुभाष सर, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही।